Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Funbot. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a sideways rectangle with rounded corners. Let's start with a line across, and then curve it down from both ends. Now let's bring it down on the sides and curve it in at the bottom. And then close it off at the bottom with a line across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another rounded rectangle in the same way. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And then let's color the inner rectangle in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. And the same thing underneath. Now in the bottom section, let's add the mouth. Let's start with two lines down. And then curve it in at the bottom. And a line across. Now top in, and for the mouth, let's draw a curve down. Bring it in at the top, and then another U-shaped curve to close it off. And then color the rectangle in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the antenna. Let's start on the top left and let's draw two lines going up. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's add a circle on top. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and add the body. Let's start with two lines down and a curve across underneath. Now underneath on both sides, let's step in slightly and let's add another set of lines. And a curve at the bottom. And again, underneath, let's draw two longer lines down. And close it off with a straight line. And that's it for Funbot. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!